The Braun Series 9, designed with responsive intelligence. It adapts to the unique features of your face to deliver our best shave yet. Its 5 synchronized shaving elements with 2 specialized central trimmers efficiently tackle more hair in one stroke, whilst 10,000 vibrations create a cushion to gently glide across your skin. It's what makes the world's most efficient shaver exceptionally gentle. And for total control, a built-in precision trimmer takes care of the finishing touches. So whether you shave wet, dry, with gel or foam, the Series 9 will always deliver a flawless shave. Its LED display will then remind you to clean your Braun shaver under running water or with the Clean and Charge station. The world's most efficient shaver, exceptionally gentle. Braun, designed for what matters.
When it's time for a shave, I want ultimate shaving performance and skin comfort. After powering up my Braun shaver, I hold it at a 90-degree angle to my face. The Braun Series 9 has a fully flexible shaving system which adapts to every contour of my face. Even problem areas such as the chin, neck or jawline are easy to shave. The easy pop-up long hair trimmer gives me perfect precision on my sideburns. I can groom with foam or gel or during a refreshing shower. That's no problem with Braun Series 9. Ultimate performance for perfectly smooth skin. The best way to clean my shaver is with the Braun Clean and Charge station. Without one, I can clean my Braun shaver with a brush or under hot running water. I change the cutting system cassette about every 18 months. And change the cleaning center refill about once a month, or when the level indicator blinks red, to maintain 100% of my shaver's performance.